Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to easily navigate the Prisma app interface. Here I am using iPhone 13 Pro Max, but the layout is almost the same on Android too. First, open the Prisma app on your iPhone. This screen you see is the home screen and everything starts from here. At the center of the screen, you will see choose photo or plus icon. Tap this to select a photo from your gallery or take a new picture. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a row or filter. Swipe left or right, exposure, different style. Tap any filter to apply it instantly. Below the filter, you will see a slider. This lets you control the filter intensity. On the top right corner, you will usually find the setting or profile icon. Tap here to manage the account quality, setting and performance. At the top left, there is a back arrow. Use this to go back without losing your edit. When you are done editing, tap done or next at the top. Then tap save to store the photo on your iPhone. If you want to share your photo, tap the share icon and choose Instagram, WhatsApp or any app you like. That's it. Now you know how to navigate the Prisma interface easily, even if you're a complete beginner. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.